police car. Then it turns to normal. Yeah, but that was the red police car. Then I was driving around and a bunch of people. See, look! There's just a bunch of people spawning in front of me. Look! There's just people now.